Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into an essential topic: how to use date columns effectively in Monday.com. The first step is to create a new date column. Go to your board and click on Add Column, then select Date. The reason we do this is because date columns allow us to track deadlines, milestones, and more, helping us manage our time better. Now that we've done that, let's customize the column settings. Click on the drop-down arrow next to your date column and select Column Settings. Here, you can choose to display the day of the week, enable or disable timeline mode, and more. This helps us because it allows us to tailor our date column to our specific needs. Next up, we're going to set up automations. Click on the Automations icon on the left side of your screen, then Add New Automation. Choose Date-Based and select an automation that suits your needs. For example, you could set an automation to notify a team member a week before a deadline. This is important as it helps us stay on track and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Lastly, let's use our date column to filter tasks. Click on the filter icon above your board, then select Add Filter. Choose your date column and set your desired date range. The reason we do this is because it enables us to focus on specific tasks within a certain time frame, making our work more manageable. So there you have it, a quick and effective guide on how to use date columns in Monday.com. Remember, the key is to customize these features to best suit your workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.